Right, welcome back. We are carrying off from last time. Yes, clear. This one will be a 5-minute video. I don't want to keep it for too long, but I want you to keep you for a decent amount of time. I got another video uploading, and that should be uploaded before this one. If not, beg my pardon me. I bet if I turn off. Oh, skilled. Bet I'll get finding a minute. Where am I going? Yes, but I'm not risking it. I've got another 5 hours to go, but I'll be just sticking along for probably about until it gets 4. Till it gets right 4.5 hours. Also, in the comments, I'd like you to answer this question. Who out of these channels do you prefer? Battleman45, check out his channel. Poco2 and Davidson, check out his channel, or my channel. It's like a general question. My friends and me just wondering. Hi. And firstly, we're just wondering what we want. Who do you prefer? Then whoever you least prefer will be doing major updates. I know that Paul isn't uploading in about 2 weeks. Oh my god, that truck. Car. I know that one complete as a stranger, Squad Shadow, I think his channel is, don't check out it. If I was you, check it out, but if I was you, don't, because you know what the saying goes, you never watch a stranger. Now, if you watch a stranger, you're a stranger. Yeah, that's the same. So, yeah, so you don't, so go to that channel, but remember that saying, if you watch a stranger, you're gonna be a stranger. Well, I got turned off there, have I? Yeah. No, not. Ooh, skilled. Yeah, and he's got a capture card. That cost him like $1,000. That's why I don't. Just missed that. And that's why I don't buy stuff online, because A, they're unworthy and I don't trust online. And B, I don't really like his channel. But it's up to you. I know Battleman, he hasn't got one, that's why I prefer his channel. I don't like people with them because they seem stuck up, if you know what I mean. And then, but then they're kind of not. They're kind of like, some are awesome, but some aren't. It depends on their personality, but then that's their personality, so it's not my opinion. It's not something that I should be debating. But then it is my personal opinion, and you cannot tell me off because of a personal opinion by the human rights list. And I'm not getting into politics. I literally hate politics. They're so confusing. So yeah, Battleman does a lot of Super Smash Bros. And Pokemon. I know I got a friend called, he has a channel called Gecko Plays. He hasn't got a lot of videos on it yet. And also, I would like you to check out Hippie Dog. She's somebody in our class. And she's literally awesome. So I'd like it if you give her some subscribers and some views. She hasn't got a lot of views, mind you. Yeah, and when everything gets laid by, I'll park up there. And that'll be the end of this mini series. Probably my first ever series. I need to put a moment. Oh, this is one up here. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. And yeah, bye. So see you later then. Bye.